blasting off. Oh my god, it's terrifying. It's been a little while. I feel out of practice with this. Feeling even more weird and awkward than I usually do. But yeah, I am like 6 months away from my graduate degree, which is kind of crazy. And this semester's like almost over now, which is kind of making me sad because I have really liked my internship. It was my specialty placement this semester and it's been really great. And I went to my first speech and hearing convention this past Friday. It was insane. I only went to one day and like you definitely do need 3 days to get the full experience. I went and saw everything because there's like exhibits. Oh, it's my computer. I just got scared there was like a ghost with an iPhone in my home. Anyway, there's like exhibits and then there are posters and there are just lots of presentations that all happen at the same time. This creaky home is freaking me out. I'm obviously a little on edge. Anyway, so yeah, and then I was also there with some of my clients slash students slash patients slash participants. We call them all of the above, but yeah, they got to see the convention. They loved it. They were obsessed with it almost a little too much because I went around to some of the exhibits and to go and see a friend who these clients also know. She was their clinician this summer, and it was just me with the two of them, and it was hectic. I have the big, this is not the tour book, not the tour guide, not the map. Let me read it. The program book. Not sure what I'm going to do with this. Actually, I just had an idea. I always have really lame gifts for the like white elephant that my family does. I think I'm going to wrap this and bring it to the family holiday party because, to be honest, I really don't have too much of a need for a all-in-one light and tongue depressor. Maybe I will at some point in my life, but I would hope that I would have the funds to purchase it for myself. I never thought that I would be the type of person, especially at the ripe age of 23, to be wearing one of these trendy teddy bear jackets, but it's like a comfort over anything else kind of situation. Like, these things are just really soft and like fulfill my sensory needs. We just had a lecture about that, so like it's all I can think about. And I have to go to a dentist appointment at 3 o'clock, and then I have a voice disorders class, and then I have 2 appointments tomorrow morning, and think I'm gonna miss some or all of my autism lecture, which I think that a lot of people are gonna miss some or all of it because it's the day before Thanksgiving. And then I have one more class, which is motor speech disorders. Just had my midterm in it last week, and gonna go get my teeth cleaned. Hopefully that will raise morale. Fingers crossed. So, since I last spoke, I'm about to leave for the airport. I've never flown home for Thanksgiving before, and it should be interesting. I also really don't like planes, so I'm trying to like relax and think positively. I got this, my hair keeps getting in the way when I lean down. I got this nerdy little sticker at Asha, and my little sister said that the stickers on my laptop are like the nerdiest thing ever. I'm not used to having hair like down to my butt again. But anyway, I've got like SLP and charity stickers. Just trying to be an adult, I guess. Mom, say hi. Hi, Mom. Love you.
Love you too, babe.
Aww.
Tell them where we are, not hang out. Because I'm mad.
You're so mad.
I think they're dysfunctional people. Should not hang out with them. Honestly.
Oh my god. What's that?
But I think it was on the lock screen.
It is legit.
Warm.
Balmy.
Yeah,
It is balmy.
compared to Boston.
Savannah.
You'll see in a second. Show it again. It's cool.
What am I taking a video?
Ready? Everyone, get your cameras.
Okay, let's see it. Sucks.
Getting a video?
Yeah,
There we go. Go
there
fly.
we go. Go fly. Setting
I
up.
hurt myself doing it.
It kind of really sucks. I'm sorry
Well,
to
you
tell
guys can just calm down for a second. You'll see
Okay,
what-
well, calm down.
Just look at it.
It kind of really sucks.
You see what your feet.
Wow, that is really cool.
But
Are you
there's
being
more.
sarcastic? Not at all. It sounded like it.
Because you can see it on the screen. I didn't expect it to be
Yeah.
like that.
You can see everything.
You
on
see
the screen.
everything.
So there's the
On the
little camera.
iPad.
Oh,
This tells me
you read the compass?
that's a play.
Behind the counter, and she goes behind the counter. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And she's like doing crazy stuff, and she's behind the counter going like this, like.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then
the gas station.
and then this guy.
step away. Might
Oh,
get all our
oh God.
phones or something.
And then this guy.
Oh, it's not working because of our
Yeah.
phones?
Savannah, this guy, he goes. You just hear he goes, come here, and then she goes like this in her robe. She goes.
We're off.
And he legit said your band's
We're going
for life.
to the field. Oh my God, it's lifting off! Oh my God, it's terrifying.
Now look on here.
I don't know what an asteroid
You guys just
is.
stand here instead.
It's scary, but yeah, we need to get a nice pic. What exactly is an asteroid shot?
A quick shot.
Like a picture or a video?
No, you'll see.
It means that he's not in it.
So
Oh.
an asteroid. Now I have to draw a box around us. I'm gonna do a test. Come here.
Okay.
You see us?
Yeah.
I draw a box around us.
It's high tech.
So we got spread out because
Okay.
that's the target.
That is
better.
really cool.
We want come in a little. There we go. Go. Watch. Stare
Ah.
at it. Wait. Let's fly it this way.
It's honestly really frightening when it makes that noise.
See the flint recording that right now. Nice and
Oh yeah, I see that.
Is it a love triangle?
Really disgusting.
Yeah.
It's messing up the aesthetic.
Like, for the first time.
Oh no,
There's
that's
an
unfortunate.
accent. She just-
Did they spell my name right? Delaney. You guys literally know every single worker in Wilmington.
Oh, I know.
You went to high school with all of them.
I know. It's kind of weird. And yeah.
I'm taking a video of Phoenix.
Whatever.
Say hi, Phoenix. Are you glad? What you drinking?
You know how much I